let me show you how to install a blade. Firstly, here is 4 screw nuts, and you need to take them off. Use the equipped wrench. Now we open the table plate. It's a little bigger wrench, and plug this one here, and this smaller one into it, and pull it to your side to take off. Then take out the saw blade and install it to here. And take install nut. Then the blade installed. If you install HSS, namely high-speed blade, you must make sure that this is a direction to the user side, so that it can cut the material when it's working. Now we install a table plate again. First we should install 2 directions, this one and this one. And this installed. And here is a hole used for vacuum cleaner connection, and connect this part. It's easy to install. This is a table saw. Now we install a top protective plate. Take off the fixing screws. And plug it into here. This part is fixed protective plate for this one. It's easy to install. Then place the partition you want to cut. and fix it. Then just put your material, then you can do your cutting work now. So it's very simple and easy to install. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.